Hello students, good morning. Today is my 8th lecture online classes of Geography class 9 chapter 2, that is physical features of India. Yesterday I told you about the topic Northern Plain. Now today I will tell you about the new topic, that is the Peninsular Plateau. These regions are located below the 22-degree north latitude of our country. Peninsular Plateau. First of all, we have to know about the introductions about the Peninsular Plateau. What is Peninsular Plateau? Peninsular Plateau is a tableland composed of the old crystalline and drifting of the Gondwana land, and thus make it a part of the oldest landmass. I already told you that the Peninsular Plateau is the oldest landmass and it is the part of the Gondwana land. I told you in the chapter 1. And see, it is composed of what? Old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rock. ये पेनिनसुलर प्लेट्यू इग्नियस और मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक से बना हुआ है. And it is the part of the Gondwana land. The plateau has broad, shallow valleys and rounded hills. जो प्लेट्यू है, पठारी भाग है, ये चारों तरफ से पहाड़ियों से घिरी हुई है. Now see, this Peninsular Plateau are broadly categorized into two divisions, that is Central Highland and Deccan Plateau. Now see, Central Highland. The Central Highland is bounded by Arauli Range in the northwest and Vindhya Range in the south. I am telling you about the extension and location of the Central Highland. This Central Highland is also known as Malwa Plateau. Okay, it is surrounded by the Arauli Range in the northwest, that is the below of the Rajasthan part, and in the northwest, and Vindhya Range in the south. Between these two ranges, Central Highland is located, and its extension is from west to eastwards up to Chota Nagpur Plateau. Next, see, the flow of the river. In this region, some rivers are also flow, that is named Chambal, the Betwa, the Sindh and the Ken. This river flow by these regions, that is Central Highland, and it is spread up to the eastward extensions up to Chota Nagpur Plateau. The eastern extensions of this plateau are locally known as Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand. The end of the Malwa Plateau, in the eastward extensions, there is some hills that is called the Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand, and it is drained by the Damodar river. Clear? Next part is Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau is in the from the south of the Central Highland. It is triangular landmass. Okay, it is triangular landmass, and that lies to the south of the Narmada River. The Satpura range flanks its broad basin in the north, and the Mahadev, the Camor Hills and Maikal range in the eastward extension. See, this Deccan Plateau, it is bounded by Satpura range in the north, while the Mahadev, the Camor Hills and Maikal range from the eastward extension. And this Deccan Plateau lies to the, I told you earlier, Deccan Plateau lies to the south of the Narmada River. The Deccan Plateau is higher in the west and slope gently eastwards. It means in the west it is higher. इसकी ऊंचाई और चौड़ाई अधिक है, और जैसे नीचे की ओर आती है ये ईस्ट की ओर स्लोप कर जाती है. इसलिए कहते हैं कि अधिकतर जो नदियां हैं दक्षिण भारत की वो पश्चिम से पूरब की ओर ड्रेन करती है इन द बे ऑफ बंगाल ड्यू टू इट्स स्लोप्स, ईस्टवर्ड स्लोप्स ऑफ डेक्कन प्लेट्यू. जितनी भी नदियां वहाँ से निकलती हैं, कृष्णा, गोदावरी, कावेरी, तो जितनी नदियां निकलती हैं ये सभी वेस्टर्न साइड से निकल आती है डेक्कन प्लेट्यू की, और उस ओर से स्लोप होने के कारण ये बे ऑफ बंगाल में जाकर ड्रेन करती है. Okay, it is higher in the west and slope gently eastwards. This is the reason the rivers drain into the Bay of Bengal in the eastward directions. An extensions of this plateau is also visible, known as Meghalaya, Karbi Anglong Plateau and the North Kachar Hills. It is separated by the fault from the छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू. छोटा नागपुर से प्लेट्यू से थोड़ा ये अलग हटके चला गया है, और इसके ईस्ट की ओर बढ़ने पर यहाँ पे वेस्ट टू ईस्ट देयर इज गारो, खासी एंड जैंटिया हिल्स. इट इज ऑन द स्टेट ऑफ मेघालय. यू कैन सी इन द बुक देयर इज ए गारो, खासी एंड जैंटिया ओवर द मेघालय स्टेट्स. दिस इज ए प्रोमिनेंट रेंजेस. Okay students, enough for today, and tomorrow I will tell you moreover about the Peninsular Plateau, that is the Western Ghat and Eastern Ghats. And one thing remember, you should try to do the exercise question answers of chapter 1 like MCQ and question answer about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions that is given in the book. If you have any doubt, you can call me on my number I given you earlier. Okay students, thank you.